What's up, guys? It's Jordan. Today's going to be my first vlog, so it's a little bit exciting. And I'm going to be running you through an exact full day of what I'm eating. Currently on about 3,900 calories, recomping, which means I'm losing body fat and building muscle at the same time, right? Or at least trying to. I'll show you all the macros for each meal. I'm doing IIFYM, so a couple meals are planned, but then some I'm going to freestyle a little bit as well. So I'm also going to be, running through the day here, a little bit busy today. I got to try to get ready to get back to work. Apparently LA Fitness is supposed to open back up this week, so you'll know about that by the time this video airs. And I got to get a workout in today, right? So without further ado, we're going to get into it there. But first, really quick, like 80% of the people that watch this are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you do. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. It helps the channel out in a phenomenal way, and I really appreciate it. And let's get into it. What we'll do is a little bit of a physique update, and then I'll get right into meal one.
Okay, so start off with a weigh-in for the morning. Usually best to weigh in first thing in the morning. And I'm coming in at 99.5, which is a little bit low for me. Looking good overall, I feel. And now for my first physique update. It's going to be great to be able to compare against this in future videos, especially because I have no posing practice at all. I've built a lot since January though, so definitely satisfied with where I'm at right now. And there's a few more months left until summer, so lots of work we can get put in.
Okay, so for meal one, it's going to be pretty simple. We'll do 100 grams of oats, 4 eggs, 125 milliliters of egg whites, 1 cup of this carrot juice, and some blueberries, as well as the 1 pack of the Sugar Twin. And there you have it. Meal one, I like to do a shake. Especially if you're like a skinny guy like me and you have a hard time eating, especially in the morning, a shake can be a good way to get those calories in. So for this, showed you the exact ingredients that we used. I'm going to put the macros somewhere here. And yeah, with the other stuff mixed in there, you don't even taste, anything weird. It just tastes like blueberries. So one of the things that I'll be doing to get ready for the week here is cooking up these sweet potatoes. So I'll throw those in the oven, and while they're cooking, what I'll do is go do a little bit of cardio. What I prepared here is basically 7 meals worth. I'm weighing it before I cook it, so I put 300 grams of pre-cooked weight for each meal, so there's 2,100 grams here. If you're curious to know exactly how I prepare these, I have done another video on it in the past, so I'll make sure that I link that in the description below. But in the meantime, I'll get back to you guys when I'm doing cardio. What's up, you guys? So yeah, just doing a little bit of cardio after meal one. Still pretty much morning time. I like to do a little bit of cardio in the morning for general health mostly, but also it really does help out with appetite, because again, I'm not the kind of guy who really likes to eat a lot throughout the day, and sometimes I find it really hard to, be hungry, right? So I find if I do a little bit of cardio, usually about 20 to 30 minutes a day, it helps. They say you should do about 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio per week, right? So I'm just gonna do about 20 minutes of this while those potatoes cook, and then I'll catch you guys at the next meal. And here we are back in the kitchen. As you can see, I've got the sweet potatoes prepped for the week there, so that's all ready to go. Time to eat. What's up, guys? Finished cardio, so essentially we're back here for meal 2. And it's pretty simple. Some sweet potatoes and chicken. So I'll show you guys the macros for that right now. And I'm also gonna have a little bit of this carnitine mixed in my water. So it's LS3. You just do half a cap rather, and that's 3 grams. That's all you need for the day. Tastes good. It's gummy bear flavor. So if you do need any isotory products, there's a link in the description down there. Jordy 15 saves you some moolah. Oh. But yeah, the portions for this ended up being about 250 grams.
And it took me a good 5 minutes to eat this meal, so I'm just speeding it up a little bit as a courtesy right here.
There we go. Again, tastes amazing. If you want to know how to make meal prep exactly like that, I've done another video on it in the past. What we'll do now is we got to go out and do some stuff with the car to get ready for work. So gas, and then probably another meal.
Found this place on the way to get gas. Nice little bakery in Leduc. Today was my first time going there, and they had a lot of good looking stuff inside. You'll see that right now.
Just getting to Costco to get some gas right now. Got this spot that's usually open, and spot pull into this place every fucking time. Okay, just got some gas. Brought a protein shake on the road, and of course, you know, I had to get a donut. So I'll show you what the macros for that look like right now. And what I'm going to be doing is going to go get some a couple things from the grocery store, dinner for tonight, and some salad for Amy. And then I might also go get a car wash, but we'll see what happens as we go. So yeah, here at No Frills. Looks really busy in there. I decided not to get a car wash. I don't know if you can tell, but it's still snowing. So I'll do what I gotta do in here, figure out some things, probably be back in the kitchen after.
Had a super long line inside.
And we're back. Just about to get ready for a workout. So, gonna take a little bit of pre-workout. Got this cool donut with some limes on it. So, now this donut wasn't in MyFitnessPal, so I just counted it as a Long John donut from Safeway Bakery because they're similar shape and size. Okay, so now we'll go get ready for the workout. In the meantime, I'll show you what I got to eat for the rest of the day.
And I decided to do this trend. Throw in the groceries. This is what I'm going to eat for the rest of the day.
Back after the arm workout. I hope you enjoyed the brief little edit there. Don't forget, I do have a full arm workout on my channel there. If you want to go check it out, feel free. So just going to make the next meal of the day. I've got the oven heating up to 420 there. I've got a 4-cheese pizza, or loads of cheese rather. Just one of these, pretty simple. Got it from the grocery store. A way to make this stuff more macro friendly is always just to add chicken, pretty easy. So I'm gonna add chicken. I've got some chicken there, and I got 60 grams of shredded cheese, 80 grams of chicken, and some onions and peppers there. All right, I also do really like adding this Cajun seasoning to pizzas when I remix them up. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that on, right? And actually what I'll do is I'll just do a little bit of an edit. That was the edit. So what I'll do is throw it into the oven there and then show you after. Back. As you can see, got this huge pizza to eat. Show you the exact macros for it. It's going to be the last meal of the day for me. So, see how it is too. It's gonna be good. Yeah, really good. I'll probably eat half of it now and then have the other half in a little bit here. Really quickly, while I'm thinking about it, about 80% of you watching this are not subscribed, so hit that subscribe button right now if that's you. Also, make sure you always smash that thumbs up button and drop a comment down below and let me know what your favorite part of the video was today, or even just a comment to help the algorithm out. I really always appreciate it. All right, now, when I was in the grocery store earlier, I saw a ton of ice cream that was, not that lower calorie stuff that I showed you guys I'll be eating today. And, essentially one of those pints is probably about 1,400 calories, right? Which is the same as this pizza. But those 1,400 calories in that ice cream wouldn't have as much protein, wouldn't be as good for your body composition, stuff like that, right? And I'm able to enjoy things I like ice cream, by simply making some choices towards the lower calorie versions, like the ones that I showed you today, right? So, back to eating. There we go. So, yeah, ate half of it. I'm gonna save the other half for a little bit later. Plus, I still got those snacks, like I showed you, a little bit of ice cream, a little bit of chips. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos today. Again, drop a comment, let me know what your favorite part of the video was. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm always here to help with your fitness goals. And there's going to be some more videos popping up around here. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and watch the other videos. Until next time.